Here at Every Bit Outdoors YouTube channel, we promote outdoor family adventure and fun. We make these outdoor adventure trips for you before you decide if you want to go. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos if you enjoy them, so we can keep on bringing our Pacific Northwest vacation travel and family adventure ideas to you.
Under the sun.
Please enjoy our 80-mile round trip jet boat tour on the Rogue River.
Right ahead, guys. Have a good day.
And careful on the ramp there, heading down for Brandon on that blue boat.
Not the very back. So why are you thinking the back?
We're going to be filming.
That's the only right answer. So let's do this row right here. Still gets you up pretty high. It's only at 32 today. It's all about how the boat's weighted. Yeah. So let's go right here. Okay, cool. That will do right there. Perfect. Want to go first, Randy? I'll go first.
Well, I must be on the end.
Perfect. How many we got? Flexible. Do you have a life jacket? All right, this is perfect, Randy.
Yeah, this is.
Numbers. Yeah. Oh, well, hey guys, good morning. It's the Express Whitewater 80-mile trip. Is everybody on the right boat? Green tickets? Yeah. Okay, if I check you at some point and you don't have a green ticket, I'm chucking you off the boat. That will happen, guys. It's going to be like Indiana Jones off the blimp. No ticket! Just maybe. So we're heading 40 miles upstream to Watson Creek, 40 miles back down. At least that's the goal. We'll see how it pans out. First chunk in the morning, about 25 miles worth, we're going to be, it's going to be our scenic boat ride. All right, we're looking for wildlife for sure. If you see wildlife while we're going upstream, point it out, guys. Mr. Harbor Field, guys.
Oh,
They don't make that sound. You're a little bit off. Now, the harbor seals, these are members of the pinniped family. Smallest pinnipeds we have in the area, about 150, 175 pounds. Just little guys. Two companies combined together about 15 years back. The sailboat portion of this company's been taking the U.S. Post up to Agnes, Oregon since 1895. Beneath my feet I have 3 Chevy 6.0-liter motors, guys. Just a touch over 1,000 horses back here. Okay, we're gonna have to power up. This boat can run in shallow water. We got jet pumps back here. Hamilton jets, come from New Zealand. We can run in water as shallow as 6 inches deep. We cannot run in water that is 5 inches deep. And it's gonna be shallow right out ahead of us. So we're gonna pick up, get on plane to get out of the bay here. Courtesy idling down here in the bay today, guys. I didn't hear what he said, but it's a lie. Check out these fishermen, guys. Look at them go.
Here's where we're staying. It's called John's. We're on the top deck over there, about in the middle. Right where all the fishing action is. Sit right on the deck and watch everybody fish. Spotted a bull top of the tree there. Right down from
That's a pretty young one too, guys. Not a whole lot of white on it yet. Older they get, the more white they get in their body. About 4 pounds, just little guys, fishermen. Have you guys ever seen an osprey drop in on a fish? It's pretty cool to watch. Looks like they're going in head first, but the last second they tuck their wings back behind them. Talons out front. They can grab a fish as deep in the water column. Oh, dropping in, dropping in. Keep an eye, keep an eye.
Wow, right there.
That's a river otter right there. There's one going upstream and one going downstream.
Oh, right there.
Another osprey nest up on the right. Allow me a moment to address the teepee in the room. Got our little Dances with Wolves meets Breaking Bad situation here. Teepees have absolutely nothing to do with the natives from this area. That's a Plains Indians thing, okay? Plains Indians had to follow the herds around, more nomadic people. Around here, the Tatutin tribe had food come to them. They didn't have to travel as much. You got fish runs, you got salmon, steelhead in this river 12 months out of the year. All sorts of fish. You got sturgeon that roll through here, elk, deer, everything's right here, guys. And most of the herd animals don't migrate in this area. They don't have to go from high country to low country. That's because mild winter temperatures. They've been here for a few days. Fully legal to camp. Just a wild and scenic stretch up to 12 days, no permits required. Going to be your ride when we get back down. Everybody wants to jump on down and take it. We'll be back here in about an hour. So the way it's going to work is we're going to do some shallow, very technical stuff right off the bat. And we're going to get into some bigger, more bumpy stuff. Probably get some splash on you. A couple of big flat stretches up here too. You ready for it? Alright, give me 1 second, I'll put on my helmet, my snorkel. Get this thing going.
There we go. This is the whitewater section. Clearing every bit of
action on the rod tip. I'm thinking it's gonna be a half pounder. It's a young steelhead.
Oh wow, still ahead.
Hot little guy too. There we go.
Got it.
In the net. That's the perfect size for a half pounder, guys.
Did they catch any?
just said no, kid. The boat? It's kind of math, bud. What else we got?
Did they catch any big fish in here? Oh yeah, like this big?
Yeah, steelhead season's going on right now. This is early December steelhead. They're all coming in, getting after it. The big fish, normally you don't catch those until you get up into the canyon, up into this stretch here. And it's all in how you're chasing. The big fish stay low. And so those guys there, they're chucking spinners. And so they're hitting kind of surface water. And so they're going to catch a lot of the half pounders. But the adults, anywhere from 6 to 10, 12 pounds. Yeah, lots of fun. Lots of fun. Put one of those on a 6-weight fly rod. It's not a bad day. Not bad. What else we got, guys? Like today. Oh, so for my whole season, see, I got 120, 125 fish right now. Big season. I've got 16 bears for me. So, yeah. So the math on that. Yeah. So there's not a ton. I mean, there's. Here's the thing. I promise you guys, and I keep my promises, that we will be within 5 bears, within 100 yards of 5 bears today. Whether or not we see it, that's 100% on us. They're here, guys. They're here. They're in the brush. They're in the blackberries, especially in the blackberries right now. Blackberries come out thick, coming up really good this year too. So yeah. So keep your eyes out. You see something, point down. Yeah. When we're in kind of normal bear spots, not necessarily normal bear, they can be absolutely anywhere. They're where you'll see them sometimes. You'll look back here. I'm just rubbing it. Nobody's driving the boat. I'm just looking for a bear for you guys. So but definitely keep your eyes out. Question about moose. We don't have moose.
Moose.
Sorry.
It might be a little.
Well, you keep looking for a moose, bud. But while you're looking for a moose,
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun.
this brisket. And then after this, we go for 2 more hours to get to where we gonna be.
Then
Home.
it's over.
It's over.
Pretty good food. Pretty good dinner included. That's pretty good.
What'd we pay per person? Was it about $90 a person? $93 per person.
Endless.
You get a meal.
Definitely worth it. $2 beer.
It's an 80-mile ride on the jet boat.
And we are wet.
Halfway, we stop and we eat this beautiful lunch right here.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
We're with Dangerous Travels. If you guys see him, subscribe.